scared to hit anything with how sticky it is. The whole place sucks. That's not okay. Oh my. The rails are so sticky. I hate complaining about snowboarding. I've never been more frustrated. What's up, Team Buckhouse? We're at Keystone. We're gonna have an insane day because my little brother Ben, who I started the channel with, is here. And he's got a mustache now. It's so intense. It's burly. It's out there, you know? It's not in there. And yeah, we're gonna have a sick day at Keystone National Park. Ben watched X Games and hit me up, was like, bro, I wanna rip the park. So today, Ben's going off. Wait, double cork 1660 you said?
100%.
Triple cork, melon grab, to mute, to stale, to shifty.
I don't even know what those words mean, but yes.
It's going down. So be ready for an insane day at Keystone. All right, guys, so today is off to a start. It's so hard. You show up to Keystone and like I still have the glory days in my head. And I'm like, it's gonna be such a sick day. And I show up and the biggest issue is since they shrunk the park and the incubator or whatever it was called, the baby park, used to be on the other side of those trees. Well, now everything's crammed into here. So you're getting these little skier kids and their parents and a lot of people that are not good at snowboarding now mixed in with the gnarliest of the gnarliest features. So it's super dangerous. Everyone's chilling in the landings and things. And then if you look around, there's no good snowboarders here. Like nobody's riding these gnarly sick features, but me and Benton are trying to. But because no one's riding them, they're sticky. Like I feel like that's Keystone's biggest issue and why their features are sticky is because just no one's hitting the features. And then I don't want to hit the features now because they're sticky. And it's just, I just feel so bad to what happened to Keystone. And this is why I love going to those small little ski resorts. So I went to Lee's Ski Resort, by the way, in Colorado, the smallest ski resort in the US. It's in Colorado, which is super sick. Check that video out right there. But I love going to these tiny ski resorts, especially in the Midwest, that they're like, you know what? All we have is a sick park. And they build the dopest park because I can show up in the feature slide and they're super fun. Where then I come to Keystone and like the love and the passion for the sport is just gone. It's all about the money and the little ski kids' parents who bring all the money. It just makes me sad. It's just not the same. That being said, we're still having a good day. I hate complaining about snowboarding. I sound like that old guy that's like, the past used to be better, but it did. Oh my. That's not okay. Did you see that? Yeah. It's like glue. The rails are so sticky. This park is dead to me. I've lost all my confidence in the park, in the features being built correctly, sliding. And so because I have zero confidence in what I'm riding into, it affects my actual riding because I'm too afraid to commit to anything, which makes riding this park so dangerous. Oh, he sent that volcano! That was sick. That was scary. I was so scared for you. I was like, ah! So sick. All right, guys, you know what's a weird day in the park, or the park's weird when Benton says,
these jumps suck, guys. They completely messed up the takeoffs, the rhythm, the rhyme. There's no flow. They're horrible. They ruined them.
and when you land, so they are a little weird, so I was like, whatever, I'll just hit the smaller version ones, and it's flat light and I'm not trying to die. When you land the second jump, you have to turn to hit the third jump. I don't know if you've noticed that yet.
Oh, yeah, I noticed that too.
Yeah, which affects your speed, and that's why we're mentioning it.
Ruined the park. It sucks.
And we're scheduled to come back tomorrow. We might have to change our reservation.
This park was my favorite, and they ruined it.
All right, guys, so the park might suck at Keystone, but you know what doesn't suck? Today's sticker shout out, we got Jordan Seaver with the orange Evolution sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick, man. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And we also got Mike Squebby. We're rocking the warmest merch in the game, the ski version of it. If you didn't know, guys, we have a ski logo and a snowboard logo, and they're all linked in the description, as well as hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, guys, all of the merch. It's the warmest merch in the game, and it's all linked down below. And if you do snag any of it, make sure you tag me on Instagram, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram. It's how you'll know that we're rocking Keystone. And so if you're like, yo, Jonathan's at Keystone, I'm at Keystone, I'm gonna go and say what up to Jonathan. Vice versa, I post a bunch of bonus extra content on the Instagram, so follow the Instagram, check out the bonus content. Shout out to the 8,000 new followers on Instagram too, which is insane. I'm stoked that you guys are checking out the Instagram, because I do, once again, put bonus extra stuff there, so it's different than the vlog. So shout out to all of you guys for following me over there. And now I do want to touch on, I hate complaining about snowboarding. Like, I literally hate it. It's the funnest thing in the world. I love it more than anything. But when you do it a lot and you expect a certain standard and then you can't get to that,
it messes with your mind.
Well, it's like, if you can walk and then all of a sudden you can't walk, it's frustrating.
How disappointed are you gonna be?
I just can't walk anywhere. I can't board slide anything today, because if I do, I'm gonna go over my toe edge.
Yeah, you can't hit the jumps. You can't do any tricks off the jumps because they completely ruined the lips. They destroyed this park.
We're fighting it though. We're gonna try and get a couple clips.
I've never been more frustrated.
So I'm a big fan of trying to turn the day around. So what I've done is decided we're just gonna film extra videos today when the day's not going smooth, for just like a sick, epic vlog. Even though Ben's sending it today off jump 2 and just hitting bigger features. Oh my goodness. Woo.
I'm full sending everything.
Even getting on the chairlift, full send. But so I'm filming how to do a method video, which you should be able to check that video out right here, and 5 tips or 10 tips for beginners. So if you're a beginner snowboarder, you want to get better at snowboarding, I got 10 tips for you. Even if you're an intermediate snowboarder, these 10 tips will change your life. Despite our frustrations with the park, which is still a really good park, let's be real, we got some bonus videos for you. more attempt in me. I really want to get that butter box type weird feature. 180 in, 180 over the spine, 180 onto the rail, 180 off the rail. That's what I want to get. A lot of 180s. But hey, today's turning into a good day, despite how salty we were at the very beginning. I don't even know what I titled this video. Keystone sucks. Keystone Park is sticky. Go. What's your name?
Jack.
Jack, nice to meet you. Ben and Benton want to try something. So Ben and Ben are going to become one Ben.
Oh my.
So you just ride a heel edge, Ben. Benton, pick your feet up so Ben can sit on it. How was your ride, Ben?
Are you regular or goofy?
I'm goofy. Okay. I don't. Oh God. There's no way.
I think it only goes one direction, Benton.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
Alright kids, try that at home, and if you do it, send it to me on Instagram. I want to see that.
It's gonna be a good TikTok.
Oh, it's so funny. I'm out here getting TikTok. Are you okay? I watched that whole thing.
Yeah.
Your feet just went. See guys, we still use Ben all the time, but I'm gonna go ahead and just throw it out there. What a weird sick day. It was still a sick day, but it was a weird one. The boys turning into a couch or a bench or a sofa, whatever you want to call that. That made the day. Were you a couch, bench, or sofa?
What? Bench and I?
Yeah,
We're a bench.
a bench.
Bench.
Oh, because they're both Bens. Get it.
All right, Benton. Comparing the parks, how was Keystone's Park versus Park Benjamin over here?
Oh, Park Benjamin's where it's at.
Ben slid way better. Oh, I'm giving 6 pairs of these goggles away, by the way. There's a goggle giveaway. That's in the description. Bunch of awesome stuff. Check out my description. The stickers. All of it. If you guys still enjoyed today's video, though, you gotta smack that like button. Not only does it help the videos, but the almighty YouTube algorithm blesses the channel and lets more people see the video. So, or dislike it. Some people like to dislike. But at the end of the day, it's all engagement. So please help the channel. Comment down below. Whatever you want to do. Share it. Some people share the videos. And then if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because like I said, I made 2 how to get better at snowboarding videos, like how to method, 10 tips for a beginner. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's gonna help you become a better shredder. Now we have a reservation to come back to Keystone tomorrow, and I just don't know if we can stomach that. We'll see if we can get a reservation anywhere else. It's just the vibe is not here, you know? It hasn't been the same since the last 2 years. It hasn't been the same Keystone that we've known and loved and ripped every single day with the channel.
Ah!
Right? Ah! So the cool thing about ripping with my brother Ben today was not because he's cool and he's my brother Ben, but we're going to Washington together. It's gonna be sick. We'll be riding 4 days in Washington together. We're not bringing Benton. Sorry, Benton. It's a family trip. Ben's family, so he gets to go. And we're gonna be running around 4 different resorts in Washington: Stevens Pass, Crystal Mountain, and then we gotta pick 2 other ones. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll have all that information for you guys. So yeah, I'm excited to head to Washington. With all that being said, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, And we'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody.
I want to get like
I think you just called him Skeeto.
I want to